Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate 3D animated avatar in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a design in my Canva and I'm going to go to the apps menu. I'm going to access AI apps to create 3D animated avatar. Okay, here you can choose Agent AI avatars or the DID AI presenters. I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and then I'm going to click on open. Alright guys, and hold on. Okay, and here we need to choose the avatar. I'm just going to use the free avatar. I'm going to go to the standard and I'm going to choose this one. Select use avatar, and then we can insert the text we want to as the avatar to speak. I'm just going to type in welcome friend, how are you? Alright, and then we can choose a language. I'm just going to leave it like that. And then for the voice, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and then we can sign in to generate. We need to sign in with our Google account. Okay, and after we have signed in to the DID AI presenters, we can click on generate presenter. And just hold on, the AI will generate 3D animated avatar for us. Okay, and now the avatar has been created, and this is the final result. Wait, I'm going to adjust the position and also the size. Okay, and I'm going to play it.
Welcome, friend. How are you?
Okay guys, and that's all the way to generate 3D animated avatar in Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.